Sacred Heart High School, Nalasopara West. Hello students, today we are going to learn history. Standard 4th, Chapter 2, Work of the Saints. Introduction. In this lesson, we are going to learn the facts about teaching of great saints. The great saints taught us kindness, non-violence, generosity, equality, and brotherhood. These are some pictures of great saints. Sant Eknath, Sant Tukaram, Sant Naneshwar, and Sri Chakradhar Swami. Let us learn about teachings of different saints. First, Sri Chakradhar Swami. Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally from Gujarat, and later on he went all over Maharashtra to teach equality and unity among people. He always taught people not to form groups based on gender. He always tells people to treat men and women equally. Sri Chakradhar Swami established a sect called Mahanubhav. He wrote a book named Leela Charitra, where it is said to have all secrets of the universe. Second, Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Vitthal. He lived in a village called Narasi. He always tells people stories of God through songs and kirtans. Sant Namdev traveled all over Maharashtra and spread Bhagavad Dharma and taught people deep devotion of God. Also, he traveled different parts of India and spread the message of humanity. He composed songs in Hindi. Many of the verses of songs are included in Guru Granth Sahib, which is the holy book of Sikh. Third, Sant Naneshwar. Sant Naneshwar's family belonged to Apegaon. He had two brothers and one sister. They were the offspring of a sannyasi. Now what happened was, their father took sannyas after marriage. Now as a sannyasi, he left his home and started living his own life as a sannyasi. But later on, he obeyed his guru's order and returned back home and started living with his wife. His 4 children were born afterwards. Now narrow-minded people could not accept this, and so they banished them from their community and always used abusive language for them. Due to this, Naneshwar was very sad. Once his sister Muktabai said to Naneshwar, "Naneshwar, how can we remain in our own sorrow? Who will then look the welfare of the world?" Now, these words of Muktabai gave hope to Naneshwar and forgot his personal sorrow and started working for others. He spread the message of love, equality, and generosity. He wrote Naneshwari in Marathi. Naneshwari is a book which tells people how to think and act. He put himself in a trance in Alandi and died when he was 21 years of age. Fourth, Sant Eknath. Sant Eknath was from Paithan. He believed in teaching of Dhaneshwar and Namdev. He wrote numerous religious songs, abhangs, ovis, and bharuts. He advised people not to accept any distinction of high and low. He made friendship with poor and taught them devotion of God. He also showed his love towards dumb animals. He exhorted people to love all the living beings and practice what he preached. I would like to share a short incident of Sant Eknath. One day, Sant Eknath was going towards river Godavari for a bath. He heard baby crying. He looked here and there and saw a baby sitting on a hot sand. Immediately, he picked the child in his arms and reached him home. In this way, by his personal example, Sant Eknath impressed message of love and equality on the minds of the people. Fifth, Sant Tukaram. Two great saints who lived in the time of Shivaji was Sant Tukaram and Sant Ramdas. Sant Tukaram lived in Dehu near Pune. He was devotee of Vitthal. By his singing, he praised God. He wrote many abhangs and kirtans. Thousands of people comes to listen to his kirtans. Once Shivaji Raje also attended Sant Tukaram's kirtan. Sant Tukaram gave the message of forgiveness, equality, kindness and peace. People accepted him as a great religious leader and showered their praise on him. His songs can be found in Tukaram Gatha. Sixth, Sant Ramdas. Now, Sant Ramdas was born at Jamp on the banks of river Godavari in Marathwada. His real name was Narayan, but he called himself Ramdas or servant of Rama. Through his book Dashboth, he taught people the ways of good life. He also wrote Manache Shlok to teach people how to think and act. He raised temples of Hanuman. He explained people about how power resides in united people and taught people to fight against injustice. By this great awakening among the people brought by the saints helps Shivaji in fight for Swarajya. Thank you.